Welcome to the Odd Pro, where support fuels success. Our digital monthly membership platform supports individuals and organizations in enhancing holistic wellness, professional development, and overall satisfaction and engagement in various aspects of life and work, all for just $25 a month. In this brief tutorial, we'll explore how you can make the most of our platform. No matter where you are in your journey, we have the support you need to go further, faster, and better. Looking for inspiration and structure? At The Odd Pro, we start with mentorship. It's the cornerstone of our support system. The Odd Pro's Life 101 mentoring series, presented by Emery M. McLedden, Esquire, is like a heart-to-heart talk with a caring cousin. This carefully crafted 12-part video series addresses 90% of life's challenges and opportunities. Begin with this mentoring series, and you'll gain years of valuable insights for your life journey and the foundation to better implement our other life-changing benefits. But that's just the beginning. Stressed about finances? Let's talk about discounts. Enjoy exclusive savings of up to 50% off at over 1 million vendors, including rental cars, flights, hotels, restaurants, theme parks, and more. It's one of the many ways we help you thrive while making life more affordable. For those times you feel misunderstood, our online virtual therapy group sessions prioritize your mental wellness in a confidential setting. While participating, you can send private messages directly to the therapist. Your questions and concerns will be addressed anonymously during the session, ensuring a safe and personalized experience tailored to your needs. At The Odd Pro, we believe that therapy can have a transformative impact on mental health, helping you find clarity, resilience, and a path to a happier, more fulfilling life. Now, let's let our hair down. Connect with your fellow members, exchange experiences, and revel in some wholesome fun. Our lively weekly game show nights provide the perfect chance to foster a sense of community, challenge your knowledge, and relax in a laid-back and enjoyable atmosphere. Come join us for an unforgettable experience, forging lasting connections and treasured moments. Now, let's talk resources. Whether you're going through a crisis or seeking personal growth, our directory is your treasure trove of materials. It's here to support your journey. There is nothing like having access to great resources when you need them the most. Is planning travel a task for you? We've got you covered. Our 24/7 travel concierge service is your key to hassle-free travel arrangements. Be it for business or leisure, you're in good hands. Save big on every journey with affordable vacation packages, discounted airline tickets, and exquisite travel deals booked by us. Wave goodbye to expensive vacations and say hello to unbeatable offers and convenience. So there you have it, a comprehensive overview of The Odd Pro's benefits. It's your built-in support system, and it only costs $25 a month. Ideal for every phase of your life's journey. Ready to get started? Visit our website today and embark on your journey with us. Thank you for choosing The Odd Pro. We can't wait to go further, faster, and better together.